All right, guys, so today we're going to be replacing the seal that's in here for the clutch shaft, okay? So I got the seal out right there. It just pulls out with a screwdriver. But in order to get it out, you have to take a couple things off. So I just take off the two 8mm here that hold on the bracket for the cable. Take the cable out of the hook right here, all right? And then when you do that, just take this lever and push it all the way that way till it stops like it is right now. And then you just pull it right out. So I marked it right here. If you're concerned, you can put a line there, all right, so you can see where it goes. Move the stator wire out of the way. And now you just pull it up. All right. And then all I did is take a screwdriver, put it in here, and just pried the seal up. And there's the seal right there. I'm waiting for the new one. And then we're just going to put the seal back in, and then I'll put the shaft back in to show you. It just drops right back in. All right, you can see the line right there, and it's back in place. All right, so there's a bracket that holds it in. This bracket goes into the groove right there. Just like that. All right, it's pretty straightforward. There's really nothing to it. For some reason, people are worried about changing the seal, saying you got to take the whole side case off and everything. As long as you do it like this, just take this seal off right here. Just take this bracket off. To get the bracket off, I took the 8mm for the chain guard, moved it out of the way because that's the bracket for the stator wire. It goes right there. It's in the way. Pull that out of the way. Pull this bracket off. Put your cable off, spin it all the way that way, and just take it out. Just right up, put the new seal in. When I get the new seal, put the new seal in, and we'll drop it in. It should be here today, so stay. All right, got the new seal. OEM Honda. Let's get the shaft out of there again. Going to put a little bit of my seal glide on there. You can use grease if you like. Two sides to the seal, make sure the flat side goes up. Just got to push this into place. It's not a lot of resistance. There you go. All right. Shaft's back in, seal is on. Let's get the bracket back in place. There's a case bolt that it's on, so make sure you don't strip it. Just get it to the proper torque. That's done. Now we got to get our bracket for our stator cable here. These are about 7 foot-pound. I think this, sorry guys, this rope, my tie down is kind of shaking you guys around, so let me fix that. All right, clutch cable bracket, hook it in. And this seal was leaking a good amount of oil coming out of this thing, so it's dripping quite a bit. Check your clutch. All good. All right, no problems. It's really that easy to do this one, and it'll leak and it'll drip down and make a mess, drip onto your chain, and you'll think it's coming from somewhere else. But anyway, guys, hopefully it helps you out. Changing that clutch shaft seal right there, easy job. If I had the seal, it would only take me a few minutes to do the whole thing. But keep your bike dry, prevent any leaking. If it starts leaking, pay attention. I'm going to get to jetting this bike right here. This was a CRF450r rescue. So I'm going to rejet it here, and hopefully it helps you out, guys. Till next time, it's Tepcocyclerepair.